Hi everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. This is your girl Fabiola. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I make my fried sniper, guys. It tastes really good, guys. As you guys can see, it look real good, guys. And I'm gonna show you guys how to make it my way. Please stay with your girl. Thank you. Alright guys, that's everything we're gonna need to fry our fish, guys. I already cleaned my fish, guys. I already cleaned it with lime and salt, guys. And I have another video, guys. You guys can go see how to clean the fish. And I have my green season, guys. I made it, guys. Now I have another video, guys. You guys can go watch it to see how to make the green season, guys. I have some lemon pepper. I have some fresh seasoning, like fish seasoning, guys. You guys can get it to any supermarket, guys. And I have some garlic powder, I have some lemon, and I have one of my favorite is the Creole seasoning, guys. And that's what we're gonna need, guys, to fry our fish, guys. It's gonna be so crispy, guys. I'm gonna start seasoning my fish, okay? Alright guys, now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna get my spoon. I'm gonna get 1 spoon of my green season, guys, and I'm gonna add it to the bowl. And I'm gonna get like half teaspoon of black pepper, guys, and I'm gonna get 1 teaspoon of the lemon powder, and I'm gonna do the same thing for my Creole season, guys. And for the Caribbean fish seasoning, guys, I'm just gonna put a little bit, guys. Half tablespoon, guys. A little bit. You don't have to put that much, guys. And for my garlic powder, of course, I love garlic. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of garlic, guys. Even I don't measure, guys, in my head, I know what I put, guys. Now what I'm gonna go, I'm sorry, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut like my lemon, and I'm gonna add the lemon juice to my fish, okay? Guys, I cut my lemon, guys. I'm just gonna put the lemon juice on the fish. Okay, take the seed out of it. And now what I'm gonna do, guys, don't get afraid to dirty your hand, guys, because you want the spice to go all over your fish. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna try to make sure the season go inside my fish, guys. I'm show it to you. To tell you the truth, guys, I can eat fish every day. Fish is one of my favorites. And that's my second video on how to make fried fish, guys. Because somebody asked me again, and I thought the video is there, but they still want me to make it. But I'm gonna do it for that person, guys. And you're just gonna make sure you season your fish. If you want, guys, you can add spicy, like hot sauce. But I'm making it for my kids to eat on it too. I'm not gonna add no spicy sauce, guys. But you're gonna make sure, guys, the season go on your fish. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, let me show you guys my fish. I'm gonna put it on the fridge, guys, for like 15 to 20 minutes. But if you guys want, you guys can let it stay more on the season. The more you leave it, guys, in my opinion, it will taste better, guys. I'm just gonna leave it to 15 to 20 minutes, but it's still gonna taste good. All right, guys, when it's time for me to start frying it, I'll show it to you, guys. Thank you. All right, guys, what I use, guys, I have some flour, guys. You guys can use any type of flour you guys want to fry the fish, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, I have my fish, guys. I'm just gonna put the flour. I'll show you guys. When you do it like that, guys, it's for to not stick, guys. Let me show it to you. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna add my fish on the oil. It's hot, guys. And I have 2 fish, guys. I'm gonna do it like that for the other fish. And I'm gonna let it fry, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna let it fry like, let's say 10 to 15 minutes, guys. Let me clean up. There's too much flour in the stove, but I'm gonna let it fry, guys, for the first 7 minutes, guys, on the first time. I'm gonna turn it, guys, to show it to you guys, okay? Alright, guys, this fish been frying on the first side, guys, for like 7 minutes. Now I'm gonna turn it for you guys, and I'm gonna let it cook like for like another 7 minutes. So you guys, because you want your fish to cook real good, guys. And after that, I'm just gonna put it in the plate, guys, and I will show it to you, okay? Alright guys, I'm done with the fish. I just put it on the plate and I have some slice of lemon, guys. You guys can add the juice to the fish if you want. And when you eat it, when I make my fish, I always eat it with sweet plantains, guys. You guys can fry some plantains to eat with it, guys. The fish looks so good, so crispy, guys. And thank you so much again for watching my video. Please, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you all.